Here I've got ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, pick display done, and now locate night light. Smoothly click on it, and if you'd like to activate night mode right now, just click on turn on now, and here it is. Then you can change the intensity by using this scale. You can pick some cooler or warmer colors, and then to switch off night light, tap on turn on now. You can also schedule your nightlight, so if you'd like to set some automatic rule, just click on schedule, and then you can either pick from sunset to sunrise or turn on at custom time. So let me pick this one, and here you've got the start hour, which can be, for example, 11 p.m. till 5 a.m. next day. So from now on, every day between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. next day, nightlight will be active. You can also have a quick access to nightlight through the upper bar. Smoothly slide it down, and then you have to locate nightlight here. Just click on it, and as you can see, it has been activated. Then if you'd like to turn it off, just tap on the moon icon one more time. And that would be all, so you can use and activate your night mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.